While many countries are contemplating AI regulation, UK has already gone ahead and have started review and very soon implementation of its own AI regulations. I believe that most countries will follow the suit sooner rather than later as more and more AI tooling is being made available. Here in Australia, government is still contemplating the regulation, and as Australia considers how to regulate artificial intelligence, how could it learn from recent examples in the UK and Europe, which are a bit ahead in this game? UK's competition watchdog, the Competition and Markets Authority (CMA) in short, has announced it will conduct a review of competition and consumer issues relating to AI foundation models, that is, large language models. So the CMA will be examining how competitive markets for foundation models and their use could evolve. They will also be exploring opportunities and risks these scenarios could bring for competition and consumer protection, which is very important. It will also be producing guiding principles to support competition and protect consumers as AI foundation models develop. I think this last point is where Australia and rest of the countries could really glean some very valuable information. The CMA is seeking public input and welcomes submission very soon by June. Most of the headlines around AI these days, especially the risk related, are around privacy and intellectual property. Consumer rights and market competition are equally important aspects but less reported in the media. So it's refreshing and good to see UK review these issues, which should hopefully really market attention. UK's announcement follows a week after European Union passed its AI bill to the final stage. Notably, the EU AI bill proposes to require providers of foundation models to disclose any copyright sources that the model was trained on, which is arguably quite strict. Now that UK CMA is also looking into foundation models, I wonder if they will also recommend the same strict rule as EU. In its recently released national white paper, UK aims to become a leading AI center. Will UK take this opportunity to propose more relaxed rules around foundation models to attract AI businesses away from EU into the UK? Well, only the time will tell. Now that we have CMA doing the competition and consumer review, we could potentially see other UK regulators conduct similar reviews, and I think that will propagate to Australia and rest of the world. What are your thoughts on it? If you have any feedback, please put it into the comment section. Thank you.